Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Monster Hunter Wilds error code R1153-0-0-101222900. The error reads, "Unable to connect to server." As per our research, this error comes when players try to go online in the game but fail to connect to the server. Many players have reported facing this issue since getting the game, even though their internet is working fine. According to our research, this is most likely a server-side issue. It can happen when the servers are down for maintenance, experiencing an outage, or overloaded due to high traffic. First, we suggest you shut down your device and router completely. Simply unplug both from the power source, then wait for around 5 minutes, then restart them. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still appears, check if the game needs an update. If there is any pending update, install it and then check for the error again. If you still get the error, then go to the title menu and check if you have accepted the privacy policies. If not, accept them and see if this resolves the issue. If you're on PlayStation, try this method. Start or join a private lobby to take your game online. Then go back to the title screen and from there join your squad lobby or a recommended lobby. So try this and see if this helps. If the error still comes, try using a different network. Connect over another Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot and see if that helps. If none of these steps work, then the issue is most likely due to server maintenance or an outage. In that case, wait for some time and try again later. To stay updated with server news, check the official Monster Hunter social media pages. Meanwhile, you can switch to offline mode and continue playing until the servers are back to normal. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.